Ever since I was 17 years old, I became obsessed with this thing called mixed voice. Early on, as I was learning to blend my chest voice and my head voice together, there was a major hurdle that I kept running into. My voice would crack, like super embarrassing, lock myself in my room for a week crack. Am I being dramatic? Maybe a little. If you too are at this stage where your mixed voice keeps cracking, then don't worry, because in this video, I'm gonna show you 2 simple but powerful exercises that are gonna help you right now. Let's go. Okay, so let's go to the first exercise. This one is a total game changer, and it's very simple but very profound. You want to just find where your voice breaks, and you want to smooth it out with a regular sized drinking straw. You don't want to do the really thin coffee stir straws. Those have too much back pressure to accomplish the goal that we're trying to accomplish right now. So just when you get a regular sized drinking straw and do something like this. And where it kind of, where it does that, where it kind of transitions up in there, stay in that adjusted place and then see how low you can bring that down, and if you can kind of smooth that area out. Do it over and over and over. That, just doing that over and over and over, oh my gosh. I dare you, do this for 2 weeks and tell me your voice doesn't completely change. That regular sized drinking straw, which is like about 6 to 8 millimeters in diameter, that really helps put the chords in their optimal position to figure out this mixed configuration of the vocal cords, which is a real thing, by the way. It's not just chest or head. You can get a configuration that is a mix of both of them, and the straw helps you do that. Now, that's just kind of like the prerequisite. That's something that you need to just start doing on a regular basis. But now we got to go to exercise number 2, because eventually we got to open our mouth. One of the reasons why you might keep cracking is because potentially you haven't found the right pathway yet. There is a particular pathway that the mixed voice takes that when you find it, it brings stability in your voice and it stops the cracking. It's amazing. So let me show you an incredible way that you can start memorizing this pathway and start singing on it. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your hand like this in a C and you're gonna put it at the back of your throat like this. This imagery is going to be a representation of the pathway that our voice is taking perceptually to our brain. So as you go higher, you're going to tilt this C up and forward like this. And as you come lower, you're gonna bring it back down like this. It's simple but profound. So try it like this. And see, that helped me get through my break area. And if I take it all the way up, you see that? That little imagery right there is such a game changer. It gets me to perceive the ring, that kind of buzzsaw in the sound. It helps me perceive that by where my soft palate and my hard palate meet. It's like a pretty intense sound on the inside of my head. And it seems like that ring just flows through that point and just is intensified the whole time. And this imagery helps that remain, because it is that buzz in the sound that makes us sound like we're fuller, like we have some of our chest voice in there while we're singing way up high like that. So then if you did something like this, fall on your knees, oh, hear the angel voices. You see, I'm just playing around with tilting this C, and it's doing some profound things for me, and it's preventing me from breaking by ensuring that I'm on the right pathway that mixed voice lives on, which is this kind of vertical pathway. Now look, I've been working on my vocal technique for more than half of my life now. When I discovered that there were things you could actually do to improve the muscles of your voice, I was all in. I just never quit. I just kept driving forward. Now, don't get me wrong. There were definitely times where I wanted to quit and wanted to give up, and times where I wanted to bang my head into the wall, because this can be so frustrating and such a challenging journey of learning to sing really well. But I just kept on keeping on. And eventually I got to this place where I am proud of the way I sing, and I love to sing. And singing brings me so much joy now, whereas it used to just bring me frustration. So I just say that because you have to understand, like these 2 exercises, I hope they fix all your problems. But more than likely, they won't, because what really will fix your problems is doing small, seemingly insignificant little things every single day for an extended period of time, usually 1 to 2 years, but probably, honestly, 2 to 4 years. And if you do that, you will become really great. So if you're the kind of person who is finally ready to just figure out these high notes and figure out this part of your voice where it keeps breaking in your mixed voice, I made something for you. It's called the 4 Laws of Vocal Technique. This course is truly my life's work thus far on how to build and develop your entire voice, but definitely your mixed voice. These are vocal exercises that are going to provide your voice's muscles with the right kind of stimulus so that they can change and obey you when you sing. If you're interested in that, I have a link for you down below. Can I encourage you for just a moment? I want to share with you a philosophy that has changed my life and continues to do so. It's really the key to success and to failure. You become what you think about most. This law is always working. It's working right now, whether we are aware of it or not. If you don't like how things have been going, you don't have to change everything out here. All you have to do is go to work on yourself and change what's going on in here. Jim Rohn said it best when he said, you don't have to change the wind because the wind blows on us all. All you have to do is learn to set a better sail, and that will take you wherever you want to go. You can change just about anything, including your voice, if you go to work primarily on yourself. I hope you liked today's video. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, come on now, hit that subscribe button. It really helps to support this channel, but it will also help you grow as a singer, so that way you stay notified when I release more videos like this, which I do on a regular basis. And for those of you who are subscribed to my channel, I do just want to say thank you. And if you want to continue supporting my channel, please just give me a like, give me a thumbs up. It means more than you know. Until next time.